From the Tennessee Valley Weather Center, this is your weather tonight.
Clouds will be back on the increase after midnight once again as we get the stronger southerly wind. Notice temperatures actually warming up a little bit as we head in toward daybreak as well with the southerly wind, staying in the low to mid 60s during the overnight and then warming well up into the 80s as we head through our Tuesday afternoon. Here's Futurecast here, lower 60s tonight. Notice clouds increase toward daybreak with the stronger southerly winds staying in the low to mid 60s. And then we continue to warm up through there. We'll start to see the clouds burn off by late morning and midday. Gets us up to the upper 70s and lower 80s by midday. And then well up into the low to mid 80s as we head into the afternoon. Futurecast has been flirting with 87, 88 with Florence. I can't completely rule that out, but I do think it's a little overdone. But I do think that mid 80s are a good bet down there. Staying on the warm side as we head into the evening, but notice that a few showers moving through during the evening and overnight hours. Not really dropping out of the upper 60s tomorrow night. A stronger south wind in the warm sector of that storm system allows us to be warmer, but the main storms are back off to the northwest. We'll probably have some showers and thunderstorms here as we move through Wednesday afternoon and especially Wednesday evening and overnight. A few of those could be strong, but as I'll show you in a moment, main risk of severe weather is north of our area, but we might have a few gusty thunderstorms come through. Nothing like the last two Friday nights we've had. And then the front kind of stalls out and we have the southwest flow and some overrunning. So periods of showers at times as we head Thursday into the weekend ahead. Not an all-day washout at any point in there for the Easter weekend, but a few showers possible at times. Now, the latest update from Storm Prediction Center does have about the northwest half of the area and a level 2 out of 5 risk of severe storms. Southeast of that, a level 1 out of 5 risk. Notice they're on the lower end of the scale, so don't panic or anything. It's nothing like the last two Friday nights that we've had. In fact, doesn't even look like a tornado setup to me at all because the main spin in the atmosphere goes well north. Now, you can never 100% rule out a tornado with any severe thunderstorms. However, with this setup, the tornado threat in our local area, southern Middle Tennessee, northwest Alabama, northeast Mississippi, tornado threat looks to be as close to zero as you can get, but there may be a few storms Wednesday evening with a gusty wind threat. So a couple severe thunderstorm warnings are possible. So just pay attention. We'll be just fine right here. We might get a severe thunderstorm watch, something like that, but not really looking at a big severe weather threat. Nothing like the last two Friday night events that we've had blow through here. But this is normal for the springtime. Low to mid 80s for the next couple of afternoons. And then we're back to the low to mid 60s Thursday into the weekend as cooler air takes over. Overnight lows back into the mid to upper 40s going into the Easter weekend as well. Mild side as you get your first cup of coffee tomorrow morning on the way out the door, starting in the low to mid 60s here with mostly cloudy skies. And then we warm into the low to mid 80s by the afternoon across the area, partly sunny skies. Can't completely rule out a shower late in the day, but I do think they hold off until the evening. We've just put that on the icon for tomorrow evening and overnight as we head into our northwest Alabama communities, mid 80s here with partly sunny to mostly cloudy skies. A breezy south wind tomorrow of 15 to 30 miles an hour. Again, that Tuesday rain chance this evening and overnight, and then afternoon and Wednesday night, a good chance of showers and thunderstorms. A few of those strong, but not a big severe weather threat. Lingering showers for Thursday into Easter Sunday, but not an all-day washout at any point. Just keep up with the latest radar updates, and you should still be able to get your outdoor Easter plans in. There's your latest 7-day forecast. Ben Luna's in the Weather Center tomorrow morning with another check of your local weather.